Yeah, so we here at my son's little vegan birthday party. Taste test. Vegan waffle cookie. What you got? What you got? What you think, man? What you think, bro? Can we take that to the market, brother? see what I'm saying, y'all? That's what vegan food do to you. See the bliss on his face? See, son, that little vegan party. This how you do it. All vegan. Slow motion. See, vegan waffle cookie, vegan waffle brownie, vegan cake.
Yeah, it's actually really good.
Look, you see he going back for round 2. Got wifey over here making the vegan nachos. What's up? Real raw, authentic, baby. Vegan cheese right there. Carrots, potatoes. Gonna put the little pinto beans in there. Yeah. That's how you do an all vegan party, y'all. All vegan party. They're gonna be like, how y'all vegan doing Chick-fil-A? They're like, he's a fraud. Oh. Yeah, so let me see what we got. So we got the little sample. You got the brownie or the cookie? Jack. Which one you want? We do the brownie. Got the little brownie. Jack's like, oh yeah. All right.